What's up, dream car driving family? It's your boy Tony Rivera. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, subscribe to the dream car driving family, smash that like button and comment down below. Today we're going to look at another great vehicle from Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep and Ram of Millville, New Jersey, thanking Lilliston. And if you're wondering why I'm out here in the middle of nowhere, as you can see, it's because we're gonna check out a 2020 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. Looking at the exterior of this 2020 Jeep Wrangler, it's called a pumpkin metallic. For the sake of this video, we're going to call it orange. I really like the 7-slotted Jeep grille. That's iconic. That's to stay. That has to stay, in my opinion. Moving on to the side, I like how the Wrangler has the bulging fender flares with the integrated side markers. It really gives it that aggressive appeal, and it's going to help you with your approach angle. The front bumper has a militant look that gives it a transformer-like presence. You can see the Wrangler has its familiar round halogen headlights, tow hooks, and fog lights. 17-inch aluminum wheels that I think that are really nice. They're not too flashy. Remember, this is not the top of the line model, so you're not going to get all the bells and whistles, but just looking at it, this is a vehicle that you're going to be able to take to work, whether you're in the medical field or you're in law enforcement. You have to show up to work no matter what. Ladies and gents, what that means is you're going to be able to take this top off in the springtime and summertime so you can enjoy the weather, and you don't have to feel, unsafe, because if you already know about Wranglers, you have a integrated roll cage within the vehicle. If you can see, you have an integrated roll cage that's going to help you in the case of this vehicle flipping over. So yeah, this is a really nice vehicle. Moving on to the back, you have a lot of space back here. Cloth, black cloth interior, nicely done. You have the classic square tail lights that the Jeep Wrangler is known for. I just like how that opens up. Surprisingly, you have a lot of storage space in here. And there you go, there's that roll cage once again. Spare tire in the back, integrated rear camera when you're reversing. Little tow hook right here. Aesthetically, the Jeep Wrangler gets minimal changes exterior wise throughout the years, so that's going to benefit you. The reason why, it ages like fine wine. You look at Wranglers from past years and you can see that they all look the same. You see a Volkswagen Beetle, you know it's a Volkswagen Beetle because the design factor is so distinct. And that's the same thing with the Wrangler. You can go back 10 years ago and you can be like, oh, that's a Wrangler. That's the great thing about these vehicles. They're getting a little bit bigger, but that's a plus. Well, what are we waiting for? Let's go take her for a ride. Jeep's Uconnect system is very responsive. You have your own climate zones for the driver and the passenger. You have the radio, media, if you would connect one of your phones. Let's get back to driving now, finally. One of the great things about this Jeep Wrangler is that it can fit many lifestyles. This is a great utility vehicle. You can have it primarily if you want it as a toy for off-roading, or if you need it for work as a street queen, you can have that. Power is definitely linear. It has a nice power band. We are about to emerge onto the highway, and we're really going to test the power and the handling. I really do like the steering wheel. Yeah, nice and firm. It grips the ground. Merging on the highway is a breeze. I love how Wrangler has kept the traditional gear selector. I know so many people that don't like how modern trucks and 4x4 utility vehicles don't have gear selectors anymore, the actual stick. But this is pretty nice how they kept that. That's really listening to your audience. I'm Tony Rivera. This is Dream Car Driving, and I hope you enjoy your wonderful day wherever it's at.